Why do you pull me over?
I'll tell you that if you roll it down.
Why can't you tell me now?
Because the reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Huh?
So what? That's why you pull me over, because I'm
Because
yelling?
I don't know if you're in need.
Checking my eyes. All right, let me out. You're impeding.
Open up the door.
You're impeding my
Sir,
exit.
open up the door.
Nope. I don't need to give you any of that. Get your supervisor.
Okay, you guys want to play that way?
Get your supervisor. I'm walking back from the store and you.
Imagine driving down the road minding your own business, and suddenly you're pulled over not for breaking the law, but for using your freedom of speech. In today's video, watch how one man refuses to be intimidated and completely destroys a corrupt cop who tried to silence him for speaking his mind. But what happens next will leave you stunned. Will he stand his ground or get bullied into compliance? This encounter is a powerful reminder of why knowing your rights is crucial when dealing with law enforcement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help expose police misconduct and protect your civil liberties.
Roll it down?
Why do you pull me over?
I'll tell you that if you roll it down.
Why can't you tell me now?
Because the reason I pulled you over is you were yelling something from your car.
So what?
Huh?
So what? That's why you pull me over, because I'm
Because I
yelling?
don't know if you're in need of help or anything.
Oh, I don't need help.
So,
Thank you.
Okay, let me see your driver's license real quick.
I don't need help.
Okay, can I see your driver's license?
What for?
Can you use the turn signal when you made a turn?
Of course I did.
Let me see your driver's license.
You can hear the sound on the dash cam too.
Let me see your driver's license. You can just crack your window if that's what you want to do.
It's already cracked.
I can't see that.
Well,
This thing.
it doesn't matter. Here. I don't wish to answer questions.
You have to let me know if there's a weapon in the car. You not take the class?
I did.
Did they tell you you have to tell them? if
When
they
you
ask
demand identification, I have to display this. That's what they told me in the class. That's what the law says.
If the officer wants to take the weapon?
And actually, if I don't display, there's really not much you can do because there is no penalty attached to that. I have to carry this if I'm carrying this.
Are you carrying?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so if you have a weapon in the car, then what?
You got one on your hip. So what?
Do I smell alcohol in your breath?
No, you don't.
How do I know?
Because you can't smell my
I
breath?
can smell something coming
Oh,
out.
really?
Let's see. Let me do some field sobriety.
I don't think so.
Okay. Yeah, where are you coming from?
Huh?
Where are you coming from?
You saw me where I was coming
No, I
from.
just saw you driving down.
Are you done with this?
I'm done with that, yeah.
All right, cool.
Where are you coming from?
I don't answer questions. I've already told you. Let me know when I'm free to go. Also, what is your name? What's your name? Your name? Sheriff? That's your name? Sheriff?
Right above it, right there. You see
I'm not familiar with the English alphabet, sir.
it? Be on the ticket.
Okay, can I have an incident number, please? Oh, a ticket, okay.
So do me a favor, while I have you here, okay? I don't want you exiting the vehicle because you have a weapon in the car.
Did
Or
I
I'm going
exit
to-
the?
or I'm going to
Did I
assume you
exit the vehicle?
I'm
Did I
giving you a
exit
heads
the
up.
vehicle?
I'm giving you a heads up.
Did I exit the vehicle? Hey, can I? You do have a dash cam, right? Very good. You can't just pull me over because I said fuck the police. I hope you realize that. Stupid fuck. I'm sorry?
Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
Yeah,
Can you show it to me, please? It doesn't come back.
of course it comes back.
Not on my system, it doesn't. Also, it's not typical behavior for somebody to be yelling out of the vehicle. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Is that your current address? 1622?
Is that a question?
Yes, sir. Is that your current
Do
address?
I answer questions?
Okay, I'll just assume that's incorrect then.
And why would you do that?
I'm asking you a simple question.
Did you read my address on the driver
It
license?
didn't have an address. It didn't
That-
have an apartment number on your driver's
Of course it
license.
does.
Let me see. Can you verify?
You've already seen it. I've already complied with that part.
I don't. But I'm just saying it didn't have a driver. It didn't have an apartment number
Of course it does.
on your address, on your driver's license.
Man.
Okay, I'll be right back.
How long has it been?
Yeah, I say that I've never met anybody quite like you that would yell at an officer doing their job. But
So,
you have a great
let
day.
me
There's no
understand.
warnings, no fines, no penalties.
May I ask you a question?
There's questions on there. There's the address.
Yeah,
There's
no, I
the-
have a
there's
question.
an incident
Can you
number
get your
on the thing right
supervisor
there.
here, please?
No,
Is the stop over?
the stop is over. You may leave.
All right.
Please don't exit until I get out. Until I leave.
Well, you said the stop is over, right?
Don't get out until I have.
Okay, I'm not getting out. I will.
Open the door. Let me get back to my car.
Okay, there is no need to draw your weapon, man. Are you fucking drawing your weapon, you fucker?
Get out of the car.
I didn't get out of the car. You told me that already.
Get to it right now.
Yeah. Did I get out of the car? Go fuck yourself. Yeah, right over there you can. A warning? A warning? For what? What the fuck? It doesn't even say why. Failed to signal with turn indicator within 100 feet. Drew the fucking weapon on me. He drew the fucking gun.
This video is a powerful reminder of why knowing your rights is essential. An officer tries to abuse his power through threats and intimidation, but the citizen stands firm and doesn't back down. Would you know what to do in his place? Share your thoughts in the comments. This encounter shows why it's vital to record the police and protect your civil liberties. Like, subscribe, and share to expose abuse and raise awareness. Remember, knowledge is power. Always record the police. Think that was bad? Wait until a rookie cop lets ego override the law. What if you were stopped for no valid reason? In today's video, a rookie officer abandons a traffic stop just to confront someone who questioned his authority. Is demanding ID without cause legal? Will the driver stand firm or fold under pressure watch? To find out and join the discussion below.
Or two, you're gonna make me step out. I haven't had anything to drink. I've told you 3 times. I don't have anything to drink.
Okay. I wanna check
My
your
eyes are
real quick,
glassy.
make sure
You wanna check my what?
I want to check your eyes real quick, make sure it's safe.
You want to check my eyes? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Checking my eyes. All right, let me out. You're impeding.
Open up the door.
You're impeding my
Sir,
exit.
open up the door.
Take your hand off my car.
Open up the door.
I'm going to take your hand off my car.
Sir, open up the door. Step right back here. You can set your phone there. You can record all you want. You're being
I'm
recorded
recording.
right
I'm
now,
not putting my
so-
phone down.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
You asked me 3 times. I've told you no every time.
Okay. There's no reason for you to be upset. I'm just trying to
There
make
is a
sure
reason
that
for me to be upset. What are you talking about?
I'm trying to make sure the streets are safe. All right.
They're fine.
Okay. Yeah.
They're not safe because you're fucking around. You're pulling people over for no reason. This isn't safe. Look, you're blocking.
You don't have lights on.
All right, well, write me a ticket. Do your job. You're blocking the
Are
fucking.
you on any medication?
Fuck you. I'm not telling you shit.
Okay. Do you have anything physically?
I'm not speaking anymore.
Do you have anything physically or medically wrong with you?
Lawyer.
You're not under arrest right now.
I'm not speaking.
There's no reason for
And I have the right to remain silent. So
You're not under arrest, so your
I
Miranda
don't
rights
care.
don't apply.
But I still have the right to remain silent, right?
You can choose whatever you want. Are
Okay,
you
I'm
on any
not speaking.
medication?
Supervisor.
Get your supervisor.
That's fine. Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
One thing at a time.
What's your name and badge number?
Officer Daly 3504.
All right, get your supervisor out here. Write me a ticket for the lights. I told you, I just traded it in. First time I've driven it. I'll correct it by the time we go to court. Tell me about my glossy eyes. Your eyes are glossy too. You've been drinking?
Okay.
How many drinks did you have tonight?
What dealer are you?
How many drinks did you have tonight?
What dealer do you?
How many drinks did you have tonight?
What dealer?
How many drinks did you have tonight? Your eyes are glossy.
What dealer?
I don't trust you. I don't believe you. Get your supervisor. I think you've been
My
drinking.
supervisor's on the way.
All right, I think you've been drinking.
There's no reason to cause a scene out
I'm
here.
not causing a scene. You're the one
I'm just
causing a
trying to make
scene.
sure that it's safe for you to
I'm
be
not causing a scene. It is safe for me to drive. If you want me to park it because my lights aren't on, I didn't know that. I just traded the car in. I'm a dealer. Oh, another one. Here we go. Why are your eyes glossy? Have you been drinking? What medications are you on? What medications are you on?
What dealer are you running from?
I told you I'm not answering any more questions. I'm not speaking.
Okay, well, is it on the back of the tag?
I'll answer your supervisor.
Fine, you go away.
Name and badge number.
Officer Goleta.
Okay. Why are you here?
I'm here to assist in all.
In what? Harassing me? How many does it take to harass?
Do you own this dealership?
Confiscating my tag? Great. What?
You said you got the car today.
Check your camera. I said I haven't had anything to drink 4 times, and I said I got the car today on a trade-in. You know, how many times do I need to repeat myself?
Just clarifying, making sure.
Well, let's get the supervisor out here. I don't want to stay.
He's on the way.
I'm freezing.
Okay.
Why am I here? Why am I standing in the cold still?
I'd like to check your eyes real quick and make sure it's safe for you to be driving.
Look in my eyes. You've
Okay.
already checked them. How many times do you need to check them?
I just want to check your eyes and then you'll be good to go.
What do you mean you want to check my eyes? You're looking at
I wanna
them.
do
Look
a
how
test.
close
I
you
wanna
are to
do
me.
a test on your eyes.
Look how close.
It's
What do you
called
mean
the
a
horizontal
test?
gaze nystagmus test.
You're not fucking
It's a
doing
series
anything.
of
You're not
passes
doing shit.
where you check your eyes.
You pulled me because I don't have any lights on my back. What does that got to do? Was I swerving? What makes you think I'm intoxicated?
Sir, I was behind you
What?
for a block and a half.
Yeah, I know. I saw you. I saw you come around and you did a U-turn. You did a U-turn before you even saw the back of my car. You were coming at me. You did a U-turn behind me. How did you know my lights were off? Why would you do a U-turn? I wasn't swerving. Was I doing anything? Did you see my eyes from inside the car as you were doing a U-turn? You saw my bloodshot eyes?
Man, just stay up on the curb for me.
Which one?
The red.
Yeah. See? This is a fucking joke, man. It's a fucking
I
joke.
just want to check your eyes real quick. And then
You're
I just
checking
wanna
them.
get you out of here.
You're checking
Okay,
them.
can I do a series of passes to make sure
You can't do
your eyes
anything. You can't do anything. Okay?
Are you on any medication?
Fuck you. Fuck
Okay.
you.
Do you have anything
Fuck
physically
you.
or medically wrong with
Fuck
you?
you.
Well, I don't know why you're acting like that.
Because I'm cold. I want to go pick up my girlfriend. She's waiting for me.
Okay, I'm trying to make sure the streets are safe.
Well, how are they unsafe?
I'm trying to make sure that you're not intoxicated.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
What did I do to deserve that?
What did you do? How long have we been here? How long have we been here?
Sir, you're the one that's prolonging this. If I can
No,
check
I'm not.
your eyes and get you on your way, then
No,
we can get you on
I'm not
your way.
prolonging shit.
Okay.
Look in my eyes. Do you see them?
Do you know?
Do you see my eyes?
What's your highest level of education?
What the fuck does that matter? What's yours?
I'm asking you a question. What's your highest level of education?
I dropped out of kindergarten.
Okay. Do you know
Okay.
the alphabet?
Nope.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't know the alphabet. Do you know the
Do you have any
alphabet?
problem? Yeah, I do.
Do you know the alphabet?
I do.
Okay, tell me. Stand on one foot and tell me the alphabet.
Do you have any problems walking?
Have you been drinking tonight?
I have not.
You seem like you're intoxicated.
Okay.
Your eyes are glossy. You look like you haven't slept in days. Are you on cocaine right now?
Do you have any problems walking? Will you do a walking test for me?
Well, I'm freezing, so my feet are numb, so maybe I do. Let's go to the hospital.
Will you attempt to
Let's do a blood test. Come on, let's go do a blood test.
That's an option.
Yeah, let's go do a blood test. Come on, let's go do a blood test. I'll call my girlfriend. I'll say, I can't come pick you up. She's been drinking. She wants me to go pick her up. But I can't go pick up somebody and get them to safety because you want to take me to the hospital and do a blood test. I've told you I didn't have any drinks today. I haven't
just
had
want to
anything.
do some field sobriety test right here.
I don't care what you want to do.
That's it.
You don't have the right to do that.
I don't.
No.
Okay, I'm asking you.
I don't care. I'm not consenting.
Okay.
I don't consent.
We're
Well, I've been standing here for 15 minutes. I'm freezing cold. He keeps asking me if I've had anything to drink. I say no. I haven't had anything to drink. 4 times. He keeps trying to say, I want to check your eyes. Look at my eyes. Go ahead. He wants to do a sobriety test. No. Instead, he pulled me over for my taillights. He was coming at me. He did a U-turn behind me. Why would he do a U-turn behind me if he came and see my taillights? Then he tries to say he's trying to keep the roads safe. I'm intoxicated. I've been working for 15 hours. I just got off work. I'm going to pick up my girlfriend from the Cavalier. She had a couple of drinks, doesn't want to drive. Cool, I'll come get you, baby. I'm on my way to the Cavalier to go pick her up and bring her home. Now, 15 minutes, she's standing in the cold. I'm standing in the cold. He's telling me, I'm trying to write you a ticket. Well, go write me a fucking ticket. 15 minutes in the cold. What's going on?
He's just trying to do his job.
But why did he pull me over?
He told you your lights were on.
He was coming at me and did a U-turn. He didn't see my taillights.
Well, were your lights on?
My headlights?
Were your lights on?
My headlights are on. I just
Were your
traded.
tail lights on?
I don't know. I just traded this car in
So how do you know if he saw it?
because he spun around before I even passed him. He was pulling me over before I even passed him, and then he followed me and pulled me over. Yeah, he saw my tail light. I didn't know that.
He had a legal reason to pull you over.
Of course he did. But why 15 minutes does he want to say I'm drunk and say I'm intoxicated and say my eyes are glossy? Everyone's eyes are glossy. It's freezing. My eyes are watering. His eyes are glossy.
Okay, he's just doing his job.
Okay, well, go. He can go in his car and write a ticket. He doesn't have to stand here for 10 minutes and berate me and say he's trying to keep
He
the
also
road
said
safe.
You didn't want to do anything until I got here. And I'm sorry.
I didn't say. Wait. Repeat that. Can you repeat that?
He said you didn't want to do anything until
I didn't want to do anything.
Are you gonna let me talk?
Well, I can't hear you. He said he didn't want to, or I didn't want to.
He said you wouldn't do anything until a supervisor came here. So
I
now
would-
I'm here.
I wouldn't do anything until a supervisor, or he
That's what I
wouldn't.
was told. Yes.
What are you talking about? I don't have authority here to do anything. What are you talking about? I call the shots now? I called us.
You're not listening.
I am listening. I asked for a supervisor because he asked me 4 times if I've been drinking. I said, stop asking me the same question. I've already answered it. Then he starts asking me the same questions over and over again. And I said, I have not been drinking. I've been working for 15 hours. I'm staring at the computer. Maybe that's why my eyes are glossy. I'm working.
Well, he's just trying to do his job.
Yeah, but when you ask 4 times and I say no every
Because
time.
people lie to us all the time.
Okay, well then I said, take me to the hospital and do a blood test. He said, well, we can do that. So why for 10 minutes is he going to assume I'm lying? I mean, for an hour, 2 hours? Yeah, people lie to you all the time. So hold me for 10 days because you think I'm lying. I mean, come on. At what point does it stop? At what point does it stop?
He's writing me a ticket.
Yeah, but 10 minutes later, I'm freezing. Why do I have to wait in the cold for 10 minutes for him to say, I'm doing a test on you. I'm doing a test on you. No, you're not. You're not doing shit to me. My taillights are out. I just traded the car in today. I'm a dealer. I didn't know they were out. This is the first time I've turned on the headlights. So my fault. I'll get them fixed. I'll go to court with the receipt, and the judge will probably let it go. He could have just given me a fucking warning, but he wants to give me a DUI. He wants to arrest me. You guys.
It's not necessarily what he wants.
He's escalating.
He's trying to do his job.
What's his job?
His job specifically?
Yeah.
He's a traffic safety officer.
Okay. What was I doing unsafe other than the lights?
Okay. Well, he pulls you over because your lights aren't on.
Yeah.
And then your eyes are glassy.
Are my eyes
All right,
glassy?
This time of night, in this area where we get numerous DUIs,
Okay.
he's going to question you.
But I wasn't swerving, and he questioned me 4 times, and I said no 4 times. At what point does he say, okay, maybe he's telling the truth? I wasn't swerving. I'm not swaying. Do you think I'm drunk? In your professional opinion, am I drunk?
I have no idea. I'm not even close to you. I'm not even smelling it.
He didn't smell me either.
Okay.
In your professional opinion, am I intoxicated?
I have no idea.
Your opinion. He has no idea either.
Do you want to do some field sobriety tests?
Fuck no, I don't want to do it. Why? Do you want to do some? Have you been drinking? Are you on cocaine?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
That's
Maybe I'll call internal affairs.
That's a little ridiculous.
Cops lie all the time. I mean, let's play the same game. 3 cops for nothing. For nothing. It's a fucking joke.
I was called.
Yeah, because he was being
you wanted me here.
because he was
And now
being
you
a
don't wanna
dick.
listen to me.
He was being a fucking dick. That's why I wanted you here.
He's just doing his job.
He's not doing his job. Write me a ticket for the lights. Don't.
Yes.
15 minutes later. What about earlier? I'm standing in the cold. I'm fucking freezing. My girlfriend's waiting at the Cavalier. She needs a ride. She's probably in danger now.
Okay. So your lights aren't on. You're in an area where we get lots of DUIs.
Gotcha.
Are you
Gotcha.
listening to me? Just let me talk. All
We've
right?
already. You're repeating what's already been established.
I can't talk.
You have nothing to say.
I have lots to say, but you don't want to listen.
Finish.
I'm done.
I'll give you 10 seconds to finish. Yeah, because you have nothing to say.
You're not running the show.
Obviously. Speak your mind. Tell me. Tell me what you want to say. You're done, yeah, because you have nothing to say.
No, because you won't let me talk.
Talk.
No, you're going to continue to talk over.
I promise you I won't talk. I'll give you 3 minutes. Because you're not saying anything. Go ahead. You have permission to talk. Fucking bullshit, man. Cavalier's closed. You got 3 young ladies in dresses out there. They're probably getting harassed. They're probably freezing. They're in danger. Can you radio police to go to the Cavalier and make sure these girls are okay? Do you want to talk now?
No, I'm done.
Yeah. Great supervisor. Great job. Talk to me. Well, I'm giving you the opportunity. You keep on saying I'm interrupting you because you have nothing to say. Talk. I'm going to be quiet for 10 seconds and let you talk.
It's going to take 4 minutes.
I'll 10 minutes. I'll give you 10 minutes. You got the floor. 10 minutes.
I tried to tell you that he pulled you over for a legal reason. Okay? You're in an area where we have numerous drunk drivers. Your eyes are glassy. So he's going to ask you questions. That's his job. That's all he's doing. You said you didn't want to do anything until I got here. You requested me here. And I came from 800 block of shore drive. So now I'm here. He's running with me. You're going to be leaving. Does that answer all your questions?
That was what was so important for you to tell me when I was interrupting you. Great speech. Great speech. Stellar job. Stellar job. You know I'm going to get these fixed, and I'm going to go to the court, and the judge is going to dismiss it, right? So why are you wasting everybody's fucking time? I know why. They want me to act up so they can arrest me. They want to get some charges against me, right? Am I right? They want to escalate.
Right. Obviously, you don't want to escalate. Just take a deep breath. You're going to be on your way soon.
In the first 5 minutes, I was taking a deep breath. I was being calm. Now I'm standing outside for 15 minutes. I'm supposed to get angry.
You're supposed to get angry.
Yeah, I am. 15 minutes in the cold, 20 minutes in the cold, 22 minutes in the cold. For fucking taillights?
I mean, I think cursing at a bunch of grown men is a little escalating. You know what I mean? Would you like it if someone came to your job and started cussing you out?
I wouldn't give them reason to.
You never know. What if they just felt that you were disrespectful?
What if? If you say what if, whatever's behind it is false.
What if they felt that you were disrespecting them? And then they just started cussing you out? That's not
Then I'd kick them out. I'd tell them to get the fuck off my property.
Hey, sir. So I'll offer you one more thing. All right, it's called the preliminary breath test.
What?
All right, so
What?
it's a portable breathalyzer.
I'm not doing it.
If you want to do that.
I'm not doing it.
Okay.
I'm not doing it.
All right,
You have no reason.
I'm just asking if you
You have
want
no
to take
reason.
it.
And I'm telling you no.
Okay, that's fine.
Put my tag back. Give me my ID. Give me my ticket. And get the fuck away from me. He's still trying to get me on a DUI. Is this what you guys do?
You can offer it to you. There's nothing wrong with offering
I've told him at least 10 times. I'm not doing any tests. I haven't had one drink. Probably in 6 days I haven't had a drink. Keep trying. It's not going to work. This is how, for 20 minutes, you're going to keep asking me until I say yes, until you find a reason to arrest me?
Sir, it's the last thing that I had to offer you because I was
It's
offering
not
you everything
you're
else.
not,
So.
you don't need to offer me anything.
There's your license.
I don't want anything from you.
Okay. I'm issuing a summons for not having your lights.
I don't care. Just tell me where to sign.
All right. Sign right there. It's not an
You know I'm going to
court.
court. I'm going to fix it and go to court, and the judge is going to dismiss
can you let me
it. So
explain the
what a
summons,
waste of
please?
fucking time. What a waste of fucking
Sign there.
time.
Signed admission of guilt. Just promise to appear in court on January 11, 2023
It's
at
fucking
11
joke.
o'clock. Child court May. You can prepaid if you'd like. There's instructions on the back here. Copy.
Stop talking. You don't need to hear anything from you anymore. We'll go to court. Y'all see you in court. What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Schultz, 2176.
What a fucking joke this is. Am I free to go? Fuck y'all.
This video shows why knowing your rights when dealing with police is so important. The driver stood firm during an unlawful stop, refused to be intimidated, and demanded accountability. If he hadn't known his rights, the outcome could have been very different. Face something similar, share in the comments to help others stay informed. Remember, knowledge is power. Always record the police. Think that was intense weight until 2 teens get stopped just for walking home. Imagine coming back from the store and being stopped by police demanding ID without any crime committed. In today's video, 2 teens are unlawfully detained but respond with calm confidence, exposing the officer's lack of understanding of basic rights. Will they walk free or be pressured into compliance? Watch to find out. Like, comment, and subscribe to help expose misconduct and defend your rights.
So we're just walking, got back from the store, and they're already stopping us. Oh my fucking god. Yo. Reason for the stop? I don't have to give you any of that. I just got back from the store. Reason for the stop.
We have 2 juveniles missing that you matched the description. We just need to see if you're good.
I don't, nope. I don't need to give you any of that. Get your supervisor.
Okay, you guys want to play that way?
Get your supervisor. I'm walking back from the store and you... I'm not the juveniles that's missing. I don't need to give you any description. I don't need you to give...
How do you know we were looking for missing juveniles? I just told them.
Oh. Yeah. Is there a reason for stopping us? So do you guys have like proof?
We have 2 juveniles that ran away, yes. And you're matching the description. So
I'm matching the description. So are you detaining me? I wouldn't run away. I'm not. I don't need to tell you my first name, ma'am. Are you detaining me? Yes or no?
How old are you?
I don't need to give you any information. Are you detaining me? Yes or no?
Yes, you cannot leave.
All right. Yo, Jordan, call mom. They're illegally detaining us, violating my first fucking right.
All you have to do is tell us your name and you can call.
I don't have to, ma'am. I'm walking back from the store. I don't need to tell you my name. I hear what she's saying.
Okay.
Now she's detaining me illegally.
So listen, all you have to do is tell us your name so we can...
I don't need to. Nope. I'm not giving you my name. I'm not giving you my name.
I can give you my first name.
No, don't give him your name. Don't give him your name. Don't give him your fucking name.
Because I'm not trying to...
It's not, but I'm not. It's still.
We have 2 kids that have been missing and we're looking for them and you guys matched the description.
Well, you just said I was detained, so I haven't committed any crimes. I'm walking back. I'm not cooperating.
Listen,
I told you I'm not.
Any crimes,
exactly.
But
then why did you say I was detained?
Because you're not leaving.
This is an investigation.
Wow.
I just gave you my first name. I can't get up out of here. I don't have to give you my full name.
All right, well, you guys are on video circling around anyways. For what? Do you guys have any proof that I'm the subject? I'm not, so you can just stay right there. You don't need to step towards me slowly. Number one.
You're not gonna tell me what to do.
It's a public sidewalk, ma'am.
Okay.
You don't need to step towards me. You shouldn't even approach me.
I can approach whoever
No, you
I
don't.
like.
Just because you're above the law, I'm not giving you any
We're
information.
not above the law. We're investigating juveniles missing.
All right. Well, nope. I'm not giving you any information.
Is that your parents? You want me to talk to them for you?
Nope. You don't need to say anything.
Detaining us.
We're detained.
Oh my god, bro.
I got it all on video. They said we were detained. We matched the description of a fucking 2 juveniles.
We're right by Quickfield.
I didn't say a word to them. I got them all on video.
Where are you? We're right by Quickfield.
I got them all in video. We matched 2.
Yeah.
Yep, you can get him. You can get him here.
We have our lieutenant coming.
All right, yeah, no problem.
Okay, listen. You were only stopped because there are 2 kids that ran away from the safe house. You matched the description.
The safe house is all like...
I understand that, but it was literally hours.
All right, but the fact, okay, but the fact that you illegally said I was detained.
No,
It's not illegally.
Illegally?
Yes.
Illegally?
It's not illegally detained.
I've dealt with this problem plenty of times. It very much is illegally detaining me. There's 2 of you guys, plus you got another one coming. I'm sure he knows more than you guys at this point.
Okay. He's gonna tell you the same thing we told you.
Okay. Well, I'm detained. All right, you guys are just gonna look stupid afterwards.
Okay.
Yep. Right on video.
All you had to do was tell us your name.
Yeah, do I have to provide any of that information?
Doesn't mean you're being honest with us. These 2 kids ran away from somewhere they weren't supposed to. And
My house is right down the street, and I'm not going to give you any information. That should tell you enough. One way to fuck with someone's night, guys. So, what was the description? Green shoes, black, like, white t-shirt, black pants with prints.
I don't have to tell you that.
All right, and I don't have to tell you my information either. There you go. Fair enough, right? You should be able to tell me that if you're illegally detaining me, tell me I match the description. Do you not understand?
You watch too many videos on that.
I watch too many videos. Okay, I think it's not trained properly. What do you do? Fucking get 2 months of training?
Too much at training?
2 months, if you heard
2
me.
months, yeah. That's all I get.
Okay, makes sense. Thank you. All right, so I didn't commit any crimes, number one. Number two, you won't even tell me the description of the subject. At first, you were all about it. I don't need to tell you my name. I don't need you.
Juveniles, you should already have the name. I don't
Is
have
that
to give
correct?
you proof because I didn't commit a crime.
My first name is Jaden, right? What's the juvenile's name?
If you are two juveniles walking out right now, you can lie to us
Check the
about your
description.
name.
I can lie to you?
Yes. How many people do you
Jordan,
think lie to us every
give
day?
him your ID. Give him your ID right now, dude. We got 2 of them here now. Give him your ID now. Give him your ID. Walking back from the store. I live right down the street, and you want to say I'm at the description?
It's really not that big of a deal.
It's not. So why is it like you can't even tell me the description? You said you don't need to tell me any of that, right? Therefore, you don't have any evidence. You can't even tell me the description. So therefore, I don't need you. I don't need to give you any information.
I don't need your address.
My name right there, and me, you can clearly tell, and my signature.
Was that,
And
see
we're
how
twins.
easy that was?
We're twins. Yep.
See how easy that was?
Am I free to go? Yes or
Wasn't
no?
that hard?
Am I free to go? Yes or no? That's all I need.
How old are you?
Don't give him any of that. Don't give him any of that. You already showed him your ID.
I already showed you that it's me, now you know, and
Don't give him any of that. You showed him your
I
ID.
don't know who he is.
I don't need to give you that, ma'am. We're twins.
we're twins. We have the same.
I don't know what their deal is, but
I apparently don't know what the deal is either. We're trying
So she stopped us, said we were detained.
simply ask their name.
They said we're detained. They said we were detained. I got them all on video.
You ain't got no reason to. Let's go, boys. Go home.
Okay, he just gave you his ID.
They're not them. They're not them.
Well, how
I
are
don't
we going
care.
to know that unless we actually do our
Because they're
job?
my kids. That's how I
just
know.
showed yeah, but we wouldn't have known that.
Go home. Go home.
All right, you guys
You
can
ain't
get
got
back.
no business
Nope.
with my kids. Go home.
This video is a powerful reminder of why knowing your rights is crucial. These teens were unlawfully detained simply because they matched a description without any evidence of a crime. They stood their ground, refused to be bullied, and demanded accountability, exposing the officer's ignorance. Would you have known what to do in their shoes? Let us know in the comments below. This is why it's essential to challenge unlawful authority and protect your civil liberties. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread awareness. And remember, knowledge is power. Always record the police.